Hi, this is Jen Delisle with Lux Living Real Estate and Keller Williams Realty Metropolitan. We're here today at our newest listing at 80 Liberty Hill Road, a beautiful home in desirable Bedford, New Hampshire. This home is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom with about 3,000 square feet. So come inside and take a look. Once inside, the formal living room is light and bright with beautiful hardwood flooring and a bay window overlooking the front yard. The updated eat-in kitchen has beautiful granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage. There is a range, a wall oven, in-wall microwave, and more. The 4-season sunroom is right off the kitchen. There's a gas stove and 3 sliders overlooking the backyard. The primary suite is at the other side of the house, offering much privacy and space. There's cathedral ceilings, even a cozy window seat overlooking the front yard. And as a bonus, there's a room perfect for a den and an office. The primary bathroom offers dual vanities, a jacuzzi tub, a walk-in shower, as well as spacious cathedral ceilings. Just down the hall, you'll find the first guest bedroom. It also includes a 3-quarter bathroom and plenty of storage. And the 3rd bedroom, which is freshly painted, also has a half bathroom attached. And find even more space in the finished lower level, over 900 square feet. There's a perfect space for an additional family room, laundry room, and there's even another office area. This space is adjacent to the storage area as well as the 2-car garage. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of 80 Liberty Hill Road in desirable Bedford, New Hampshire. This home will be listed soon, and if you'd like to book a showing, please reach out and we will book an exclusive appointment just for you. See you soon.
I love it.
I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on. Welcome. We hope you enjoyed your sneak peek of Try again. I bet you'll love your neighbor. Are you ready?
I wish I had that on tape. Go ahead.
We hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of What is my problem? Reach out. We would love to show it to you. A raindrop just fell on my face.
So close.
Is it quiet yet?
Other than the roosters.
Is that what that is? Still on? Why is it? What was that?
I think it was the peacock.
Is that the peacock? All right. Why is it so hard? It's like 2 sentences. Sure. This home will be listed shortly, and if you would love to schedule a showing, we'd be happy to book it for you. Nope, that sucks.